and 500,000 is an offering that is coming up.
Agege and Alaige and Orile Agege, I say thank you very much. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to waste much of our time. I just want to say a very big thank you for you for honoring us with your presence. We know Lagos State House of Assembly is the house of the people, and we've always been celebrating this with us. By the grace of God, next year again, we will be here in full force, and it will be better than this. I wish us all a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year in advance. Thank you. May God bless you.
Gíga aláṣeyọrí.
Our prayer for Lagos State is that we will move to the next level with the spirit of excellence as we enter into 2024. And every family, everyone too should move up. That is the spirit of excellence.
There's nothing more to do than to continue to thank God for what God has been doing for us.
I can only thank the House for this opportunity to invite all of us, especially members of the executive of the party, GHA members, the royal fathers, and everybody from all walks of life